हेलो गाइज, वेलकम टू एग्रोनॉमी ऑडियो एग्रीकल्चर में आप सबका स्वागत है। आज हम एग्रोनॉमी के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। टर्म्स रिलेटेड इन एग्रोनॉमी। इरिगेशन एग्रोनॉमी इफेक्टिव रेनफॉल डॉक्टर NG दस्ताने ने दिया है। क्रॉपिंग सिस्टम कौन दिया है? डॉक्टर SS बेसिन से। इरिगेशन इंजीनियरिंग AM माइकल। SNR पे स्लो रिलीज नाइट्रोजन फर्टिलाइजर के कौन दिया? डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद। SRNP स्लो रिलीज नाइट्रोजन फर्टिलाइजर डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद। CRI स्टेज ऑफ इरिगेशन इन विथ कौन दिया? BL भारद्वाज। CRI स्टेज ऑफ इरिगेशन इन विथ BL भारद्वाज। फंक्शनल न्यूट्रिएंट कौन दिया है? निकोलस 1963। इसेंशियलिटी ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट क्राइटेरिया एरोन एंड स्टॉट। एरोन इसेंशियलिटी ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट अननोन एंड स्टॉट। एग्रोबायोलॉजी कौन दिया है? विलकॉक्स। एग्रोबायोलॉजी विलकॉक्स। IWCP रेशियो क्या है? पेरिहर इति 1970। ट्रांसप्लांटिंग इन द पर मिनट क्या है? डॉक्टर गौतम। ट्रांसप्लांटिंग इन द पर मिनट क्या है? डॉक्टर गौतम। कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ इफेक्टिवनेस क्या है? निकोरबिस। कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ इफेक्टिवनेस क्या है? निकोरबिस। H4 हाइब्रिड ऑफ कॉटन डॉक्टर DRCT पटेल। J फर्स्ट इंडियन वैरायटी ऑफ डॉक्टर सैत्री। लो मिनिमम JB लिबोंग 1840। लॉ ऑफ लिमिटिंग फैक्टर ब्लैकमैन। इनवर्स इल एन नाइट्रोजन विलकॉक्स 1920 ना। लीफ एरिया इंडेक्स कौन दिया? वाटसन। लीफ एरिया इंडेक्स कौन दिया? वाटसन से। न्यूट्रिएंट मोबिलिटी कंसेप्ट क्या है? बेरिस RH। ए वैल्यू कंसेप्ट क्या दिया? डीन एंड फ्राइड। ए वैल्यू कंसेप्ट कौन दिया है? डीन एंड फ्राइड। ई वैल्यू कौन दिया है? रसेल। एल वैल्यू कौन दिया है? लर्सेंस। राइजोस्फीयर क्या है? हिल्टनर। राइजोस्फीयर क्या दिया? हिल्टनर। फिलोस्फीयर कौन दिया है? रूनियन। फिलोस्फीयर कौन दिया? रूनियन। आइडियोटाइप कंसेप्ट कौन दिया है? डोनाल्ड। आइडियोटाइप कंसेप्ट कौन दिया है? डोनाल्ड। आइडियोटाइप कंसेप्ट कौन दिया है? डोनाल्ड। विथ आइडियोटाइप कौन दिया है? डोनाल्ड। विथ आइडियोटाइप कौन दिया है? डोनाल्ड। राइस आइडियोटाइप कौन दिया है? चेंजल इथिल। मिक्स क्रॉपिंग कौन दिया है? ला फिल्टेज। मिक्स क्रॉपिंग कौन दिया है? ला फिल्टेज। डीजल ट्रैक्टर कौन दिया है? बेंटेज। कॉटन गिनिंग कौन दिया है? विटुनोई। कॉटन गिनिंग विटुनोई। 2,4-D कौन दिया है? पोकोर्नी। 2,4-D कौन दिया है? डिस्कवर्ड बाय द पोकोर्नी। एलियोपैथी मोलिस। एलियोपैथी मोलिस। MDI मॉइस्चर डिफिशिएंट इंडेक्स क्या है? कृष्णा एंड सिंह। वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग कौन दिया है? मेयर दिया है। वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग कौन दिया है? मेयर। वाटर यूज इफिशिएंसी कौन दिया है? थॉर्नवेट। अवेलेबल वाटर कौन दिया है? विनर एंड हैरिक्सन्स। ड्रिप इरिगेशन कौन दिया है? सिमिच बेल्सी। सिमिच बेल्सी। टेंसियोमीटर कौन दिया? रिचार्ड एंड गार्डनर। टेंसियोमीटर रिचार्ड एंड गार्डनर। फील्ड कैपेसिटी इरासन एंड वेस्ट। PWP ब्रिंग्स एंड एक्सचेंज। PE कौन दिया? साइलेंट। PF कौन दिया? एस्कोफिल। PF कौन दिया? एस्कोफिल। PH कौन दिया? स्पेल सोरेशंस। हार्वेस्टिंग इंडेक्स कौन दिया है? डोनाल्ड। हार्वेस्टिंग इंडेक्स कौन दिया है? डोनाल्ड। फोटो पीरियोडिक कंसेप्ट क्या है? गार्डनर एंड एलार्ड 1900। फोटो पीरियोडिक कंसेप्ट क्या है? गार्डनर एंड एलार्ड। गार्डन फोटो टेपोजिंग कंसेप्ट कौन है? गार्डनर एंड एलार्ड। थियो थियोफॉर्मेडिन का एफ्लुएंट। थियोफॉर्मेडिन का एफ्लुएंट। बर्नलाइजेशन क्या है? लाइसेंको। बर्नलाइजेशन क्या है? लाइसेंको। एंटीबायोटिक्स क्या है? अलेक्जेंडर फ्लेमिंग। अलेक्जेंड्रियन फ्लेमिंग्स। बेसिलस रेडिकोला कौन है? बेंजेरिक एडिसेस। रोथनसन एक्सपेरिमेंटल स्टेशन JB लुइस एंड J जिवलर्स। फादर ऑफ फील्ड प्लॉट एक्सपेरिमेंट JB बोसनगोल। फादर ऑफ फील्ड प्लॉट टेक्निक JB बोसनगोल। फादर ऑफ पेडोलॉजी VV दोकचिप। फादर ऑफ पेडोलॉजी VV दोकचेव। फादर ऑफ फील्ड प्लॉट एक्सपेरिमेंट कौन दिया? JB बोसनगोल। फादर ऑफ पेडोलॉजी VV दोकचेव। फादर ऑफ एग्रोनॉमी पीटर डी क्रिसेंजी। फादर ऑफ एग्रोनॉमी पीटर डी क्रिसेंजी। फादर ऑफ गोल्डन रिवोल्यूशन डॉक्टर KL चंदा। फादर ऑफ गोल्डन रिवोल्यूशन डॉक्टर KL चंदा। फादर ऑफ टिलेज जेथ्रो। फादर ऑफ जीरो टिलेज ट्रिपलेट साहब। दिए। फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग सर अल्बर्ट हावर्ड दिए। फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग का सर अल्बर्ट हावर्ड दिए। फादर ऑफ सॉइल टेस्टिंग टेक्निक कौन दिया? ML टॉर्ग। फादर ऑफ सॉइल टेस्टिंग टेक्निक का ML टॉर्ग। फादर ऑफ सॉइल माइक्रोलॉजी कौन है? SN माइनोगार्डेस्की। फादर ऑफ सॉइल माइक्रोलॉजी SN विंगोग्रेक्सी। फादर ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर केमिस्ट्री JV लिबोंग। द टर्म एग्रोनॉमी डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम 2 Greek words एग्रोनॉमी, जिस शब्द के अंदर में NOMY लग गया है वो सब ग्रीक वर्ड होता है। जैसे एग्रोस मतलब फील्ड, नोमस मतलब टू मैन। द टर्म एग्रोनॉमी डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम द टू ग्रीक वर्ड्स। एग्रोस मीन्स फील्ड, नोमस मतलब टू मैन। Definition: it can be defined as the branch of agriculture science which deals with the principle and the practices of soil, water, and crop management. It can be defined as the branch of agriculture science which deals with the principles and the practice of the soil, water, and the crop management. Indian agriculture is the predominantly of the substance type. Peter de Crescenzi, he collected many literature related to agronomy in his book Opus Ruralium Como Drama. Peter de Crescenzi, he collected many literature related to agronomy in his book Opus Ruralium Como Drama. For the first time, he known as the father of agronomy. Opus Ruralium Como Drama से ही father of agronomy में वन Valmont in 1577 और 1644 concluded that the main principle of vegetation is water. Jethro Tull, he published a book HHH, Horse Hoeing Husbandry, and the word weeds and the zero tillage firstly given by he known as the father of Jethro Tull. ही जो weeds and the zero tillage को सबसे पहले दिए थे शब्द, इसलिए उनको फादर ऑफ टिलेज कहा जाता है. ऑथर यंग conducted not culture experiment to increase the yield of crops and applying several materials like the poultry during the litter gunpowder etc. Published his work in 46 volumes as the Annals of Agriculture. The truly scientific approaches to farming was started in 1840. Justin von Liebig, the father of zero tillage कौन है? Gabler GLUBLA Gabler B triplet. फादर ऑफ जीरो टिलेज कौन है? गबलर बी ट्रिपलेट. फादर ऑफ जीरो टिलेज कौन है? गबलर टी ट्रिपलेट. एग्रोमेट्रोलॉजी, वेदर, स्टेट और कोऑर्डिनेशन. व्हाट इज वेदर? वेदर क्या है? State or a condition of atmosphere at a given place and a given time. The state or a condition of atmosphere at a given place at a given time. It pertains to the smaller area like village, district, etc. and the short period of time. Example: hot day, rainy day, cloud, weather day or weather, etc. What is climate? Summation of weather condition of a given region during the comparatively longer period. It pertains to a large area like zones, state, county, and continent. Example are cold season and the tropical climate. Classification of climate. According to De Candola, the first person to attempt the classification of a climate-based vegetation based on the annual and the monthly mean, the temperature and the precipitation. Köppen divided the world climate into the 5 groups based on the weather elements. Troll, this is the based on the temperature and the humid months. This classification is the suitable for agriculture purposes. The ICRI Seth Hyderabad adopted the method of classifying semi-arid topics in India. What is thorn weight? Based on P index, T is the season distribution of the rainfall. P index is equal to P by E into 100. P by E into 100. Where P is equal to precipitation of effectiveness. P is equal to annual precipitation, E is equal to annual evaporation. Climate and the PE index. Weight 128 into above. Humid 64 into 120. Subhumid क्या है 32 to 62. Semi arid क्या है 16 to 21. Arid क्या है 16. Moisture deficient index MDI. Moisture deficient index. This concept was given by the Krishna and the Singh. AICRP on the dry land. ICAR adopted the classification based on MDI. MDI P minus PET by PET into 100. Types of climate. Subhumid, semi-arid. MDI value 0 to 33.33. 33.33, 66.66. Arid क्या है 66.66. Classification of climate on the basis of rainfall क्वांटिटी. एरिड क्या है 250 से बड़ा होगा. सेमी एरिड क्या है 250 से 500 बीच के होगा. सब ह्यूमिड क्या होगा 500 से 1000 और ह्यूमिड क्या हो जाए 1000 से लेस. Atmosphere. It is the colorless, tasteless and the odorless mixture of gases that surrounded the earth. It extends up to the height of about 1600 km from the earth's surface. However, 99% of the total mass of the atmosphere is within the 40 km from the earth. Structures of atmosphere. Based on the vertical temperature and the difference and the gradient, atmosphere is divided into the 4 layers. Troposphere. It is troposphere. इट इज़ द लोअर मोस्ट लेयर ऑफ द एटमोसफेयर. मतलब धरती जहाँ से हम देख रहे हैं ऊपर वो ट्रोपोस्फेयर में हो जाएगा. एक्सटेंडिंग ऑफ द हाइट 8 से 18 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम द अर्थ सरफेस polar and 18 km from the equator. Temperature decreases with the increase in altitude at the rate of 6.5 degrees Celsius किलोमीटर, known as a lapse rate. जो टेम्परेचर का जो गिरना बढ़ना है वही लैप्स रेट कहलाता है. It influences the earth climate. It depends on earth climate. It is the dense part of the atmosphere, contains 85% of the atmospheric mass. All the weather phenomena like the cloud, rain, mist, fog, dew, etc. occurs in the troposphere. What is stratosphere? It is the second layer of the atmosphere which lies beyond the height of 8 to 18 km, extending up to 50 km from the Earth's surface. It is the second layer of atmosphere which lies beyond the height of 8 to 18 km and extending up to 50 km from the Earth's surface. It is the warmest layer. Temperature increases with the increasing height. It is the warmest layer and the temperature increases with the increasing height. It is the actual state of the most of the photochemical reactions in the air. It is the actual state of most of the photochemical reactions in the air. What is stratosphere? It is the second layer of atmosphere which lies beyond the height of 8 to 18 km and extending up 50 km from the Earth's surface. It is the warmest layer. Temperature increases with increasing height. It is the actual state of the most photochemical reaction in air. Due to presence of ozone layer, O3 gas, UV rays are absorbed, hence it is also called as ozonosphere. Most of the concentration of the ozone is present about the height 20 to 30 km from the Earth's surface. Holes in the ozone layer means the thin layer in depletion of ozone layer due to the CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons. What is mesosphere? Is the third. It lies above the stratosphere at the height 50 km, extending up to 80 km from the Earth's surface. Stratosphere में ही प्लेन उलेन उड़ता है from the Earth's surface. Mesosphere. It lies above the stratosphere a height of 50 km, extending up to 80 km from the Earth's surface. A strong decrease in the temperature with increase in altitude. What is thermosphere? From the Earth's surface, it is extending a height of 80 km up to 1600 km. The lower layer of the thermosphere is called the ionosphere, 80 to 300 km. Long distance ratio communication is made possible through the ionized layer. It is the outermost layer is called the exosphere. Exosphere is the layer above the ionosphere. The temperature increases with the altitude. Composition of atmospheric air or the principal gases of atmosphere. Nitrogen 78.08%, oxygen 20.95%, मतलब 21%. नाइट्रोजन को 78% मान लो, ऑक्सीजन को 21%, आर्गोन को 0.93%, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड 0.003% होता है, ये 4% का हो जाता है. नियोन 0.001%. इन द एटमोस्फेयर नियोन, हीलियम, मीथेन, क्रिप्टोन, नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड, ozone, hydrogen, neon are the minor gases. Composition of a soil air. Nitrogen percentage is the more or less sum as the compared to atmosphere. Oxygen level slightly decrease as the compared to atmosphere. But CO2 level will be nearly 8 to 10 times more, 0 to 2.5 to 0.3% as compared to atmosphere. Solar constant defined as the energy falling in 1 minute or a surface area of 1 square centimeter at the outer boundary of the atmosphere held normal to the sunlight at the mean distance of the earth from the sun. Solar constant value is 1.94 calorie centimeter minimum. SI unit is 1353 watt meter square. The solar radiation is received from the electromagnetic waves, particles are called quanta photons. The amount of radiation energy received or transmitted across the particular area per unit time is known as a radiance flux. Unit of solar radiation, SI unit watt per meter square, and the lux is the oldest SI derived unit of the solar radiation. SI unit watts meter and the lux is the oldest SI derived unit of the solar radiation. CGS unit is a calcium centimeter and the minimum. Forms of solar radiation. Direct solar radiation. It receives the radiation direct on the earth's surface from the sun. Diffuse radiation, SKY radiation. The radiation scattered by the suspended particles and each reach on the earth's surface before the sun rises and the sunset. All the energy received is diffuse SKY radiations. Reflected radiation, albedo. Solar radiation that is reflected without any change in its the quality is called the reflected radiation. It is used as a remote sensing. What is albedo? Forms of solar radiation: direct solar radiation. It received the radiation direct on the Earth's surface from the sun. Diffuse radiation, escape by radiation. The radiation is scattered by the suspended particles and reach on the Earth's surface. Before the sun rises and the sunset, all the energy received is diffused escape by radiation. Reflected radiation, albedo. Solar radiation that is reflected without any change in its quality is called reflected radiation. It is used in the remote sensing. What is albedo? It is the ratio between the incoming and outgoing solar radiation on the Earth's surface. It is the ratio between the incoming and the outgoing solar radiation on the Earth's surface. It is the percentage of the incident solar radiation reflected by the surface is known as albedo. It is expressed in percentage. The albedo of crop surface and the soil is ranging between 23 to 30%. The albedo for the fresh snow is ranging from 75 to 95%. The albedo for the water is ranging from 3 to 10%. PAR, photosynthetic active radiation, part of solar radiation that is used to photosynthesis. Part of solar radiation that is used for photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a green leaves use the solar energy in wavelength from 0.4 to 0.7 mu radiation 400 to 700 nanometer is most active photosynthetic in the photosynthetic active radiation. PAR or the photons are the measured by the quantum sensor unit of Einstein and the watt meter square. PAR direct radiation 0.4 to diffuse radiation 0.65%, global radiation 0.50. X-rays and the gamma rays 0 to 0 mu, X and gamma rays 0 to 03 mu, 0 to 03. 0 से 300 नैनोमीटर हार्मफुल रेडिएशन एक्सरे यूवी माइक्रोवेव्स 0.3 to 0.4 to 300 से 400 हार्मफुल रेडिएशन है यूवी रेज भी पीआर विजुअल स्पेक्ट्रम 0.4 to 0.74 400 से 700 यूजिंग फोटोसिंथेटिक नियर इंफ्रारेड 0.74 to 4 740 से 4000 थर्मल इफेक्ट फार इंफ्रारेड एंड द रेड लॉन्ग वेव 400 से 100 4000 से 1 लाख थर्मल इफेक्ट होगा. इंस्ट्रूमेंट measure in the solar radiation. Pyranometer measure the total incoming solar radiation on the earth. What is pyranometer? Measure total incoming solar radiation on the earth. What is pyranometer? Measure the total incoming solar radiation on the earth. What is pyranometer? Measure the total incoming solar radiation on the earth. What is pyranometer? What is pyranometer? Measure direct beam the solar radiation. Pyranometer can measure the direct beam of a solar radiation. What is pyranometer? Measures the direct beam of solar radiation. What is quantum sensor? It measures in PAR. What is quantum sensor? It measures on PAR. What is temperature? It is the most important variable of the weather. It is the most important variable of the weather. What is temperature? It is the most important variable of the weather. Measurement of the temperature. The SI unit of the temperature is the degree Celsius. Is degree Celsius. Celsius is the Celsius scale, melting and the boiling point of water 0 to 100 degrees Celsius respectively. C is equal to F minus 32 5 by 9. C is equal to F minus 32 5 by 9. Or Fahrenheit, in the Fahrenheit scale, the melting and the boiling point of water are 32 degree Fahrenheit and 212 degree Fahrenheit. F is equal to C 9 by 5 F plus 32. इसका एक और फार्मूला क्या है? C by 5 F minus 32 by 9. C by 5 F minus 32 by 9. Kelvins क्या है? Absolute temperature is measured in Kelvin unit. When there is no activity of molecules of substances, then it is said to be 0 degree Kelvin. The melting point of water in the Kelvin is 273 Kelvin and the steam point is 373 degree Kelvin. K is equal to C plus 273. Both the C and F scales are equal to the point. This is the minus 40 degrees Celsius and the minus 1. The both Celsius and the Fahrenheit scales are equal at 1 point minus 40 and the minus 40. Minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit and minus 40 degrees Celsius. What is instrument? Maximum thermometer. It is used to measure the highest temperature attained during the day. It consists of the hollow gas tube filled with mercury. What is maximum thermometer? It is used to measure the highest temperature attained during the day. It consists of the hollow glass tube filled with mercury. What is minimum thermometer? It is used to measure the lowest thermometer. It consists of a glass tube with alcohol in the bulb. What is soil thermometer? It is a mercury thermometer with a bend at the bulb end. What is thermocouple? A thermocouple is a sensor used to measure the thermometer. Thermocouples consist of the two wire legs made from the different metals. The wire legs are welded together at one end and creating a junction. The junction is where the temperature is measured, mainly used for the measuring the soil temperature. There are two types of thermoelectric and the resistant. What is thermistors? These are the very accurate and the cost-effective sensor of measuring the temperature available in the two types: NTC negative thermometer coefficient and PTC positive thermometer coefficient. NTC thermometer is commonly used to measure the soil temperature. Infrared thermometer, it measures the leaf and the canopy temperature of the plant without contact. Infrared thermometer, it measures the leaf and the canopy temperature of plant without contact. Infrared thermometer, it measures the leaf and canopy temperature of the plant without contact. What is infrared thermometer? It measures the leaf and the canopy thermometer of the plant without contact. What is lapse rate? The vertical temperature decrease or gradient is expressed as a lapse rate. The vertical temperature decrease or gradient is expressed as lapse rate. Normally lapse rate is 6.5 degrees Celsius and the 3.5 degree Fahrenheit 1000 feet पे. What is lapse rate? The vertical temperature decrease or the gradient is expressed as a lapse rate. Normally lapse rate is 6.5 degrees Celsius and the 3.5 degree Fahrenheit 1000 feet. Adiabatic lapse rate, the rate at which the temperature changes at the air rises or the falls is called the adiabatic lapse rate. What is adiabatic lapse rate? 10 degrees Celsius. The condition in which there is erupt a rise instead of fall in temperature is called inversion. What is atmospheric pressure? The pressure on the Earth's surface extracted by the atmosphere is known as atmospheric pressure. The SI unit of the pressure is Pascal. The SI unit of pressure is the Pascal. Pressure at the sea level, 1 bar is equal to 0.98 bars atms. Pressure at the sea level in 1 bar is equal to 0.98 atm or 1013 millibar. 1 bar is equal to 0.1 megapascals. Pressure decreases with the increasing height and the increasing temperature. Measures of humidity. Humidity means water vapor content of atmosphere. Relative humidity, water vapor present in the air. What is relative humidity? Water vapor present in the air. Relative humidity क्या है? Water vapor required for saturation into 100%. Relative humidity expressed in the percentage, the mostly useful for the agriculture. Relative humidity should be 40 to 60% of a crop for crop production. Relative humidity must be more than 75% of the fog. Absolute humidity, truly humidity, unit of absolute humidity is gram meter cube. Specific humidity, unit of specific humidity gram per kg. Rain drop is 0.5 to 4 mm. Rain drop is 0.5 to 4 mm. Drizzle क्या होता है? Greater than 0.5. Rain drop क्या होता है? Less than 0.5 to 4 mm. 0.5 to 4 mm. 0.5 to rain drop क्या होता है? 0.5 to 4 mm. Drizzle क्या होता है? Drops greater than 0.5 mm. Drizzle क्या होता है? Greater than 0.5 mm. Snow क्या होता है? Ice crystal resulting from the sublimation. Ice crystal resulting from sublimation. Dew क्या होता है? Moisture considered in the small drop upon the cool surface. What is dew? Moisture condensed in a small drop upon the cool surface. What is frost? A feathery deposit of ice. What is frost? A feathery deposit of ice. What is fog? A thin cloud of varying size is 1 to 50 mu. What is mist? A very thin fog droplet size is 50 से 150 mu. What is vapor? A water vapor in the atmosphere continues only about 0.001% of the total global water. What is evaporation? It is the physical process in which the water lost from the oceans, ponds and the soil in the vapor form. What is transpiration? It is the biological process in which the water lost from the plants in the vapor form. What is transpiration? It is a biological process in which the water lost from the plants in the vapor form. What is evapotranspiration? It is the biophysical process of a water lost from the soil and the vegetation. What is PET? Loss of water from the soil and the vegetation when the soil is fully covered. What is PET? Loss of water from the soil and the vegetation where the soil is fully covered. What is freezing and the frost injury? Plant damage due to the low temperature below the freezing point is greater than 0 degrees. What is freezing frost injury? Plant damage due to the low temperature below freezing point is greater than 0 degrees Celsius. What is chilling injury? Plant damage due to the low temperature above freezing point is 0 to 4 degrees Celsius. What is chilling injury? Plant damage due to the low temperature above freezing point is 0 to 4 degrees Celsius. What is management of the frost? Application of frequent irrigation to the crop. Application of 0.1% concentration of the commercial grades H2SO4. Fog smoke is very helpful to increase the temperature around crop area in late hours of the night or before the sunrise and the generating at northwest direction of the field. What is phenomenon? What is contour? Lines joining equal elevation. Contour क्या है? Lines joining equal elevations. Contour क्या है? Line joining equal elevation. What is isoflex? Isoflex line joining the uniform value of any phenomena. What is contour? Lines joining equal elevations. Isoflex क्या है? Line joining uniform value of any phenomena. Isosphere क्या है? Imaginary line connecting the point of equal atmospheric pressure. What is isosphere? Line of connecting point of equal amount of rainfall. What is isobath? Imaginary line connecting the point of equal water table elevations. What is isosphere? Line connecting point of equal sunshine hours. What is isotherm? Lines connecting point of a similar seasonal phenomena. What is isotherm? Line connecting point of equal temperature. What is isotype? Element having equal number of nutrients. What is isopluvial? Isopluvial lines joining equal depth of rainfall. What is isotherm? Lines connecting point of equal wind velocity. What is isotherm? Lines connecting point is constant moisture contents. What is isothermal? Line which join the places of a similar and disease severity. Isoclines, a curve connecting least cost contributing of input of for all output. Instrument and their use. इंस्ट्रूमेंट एंड यूज. अल्टीमीटर क्या है? अल्टीमीटर हाइट. 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 अल्टीमीटर से हाइट. एनोरॉइड बैरोमीटर क्या है? एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर. एनोरॉइड बैरोमीटर एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर. एनोरॉइड बैरोमीटर एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर. अल्टीमीटर हाइट से होता है. एनोरॉइड बैरोमीटर क्या होता है? एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर से. एनोरॉइड बैरोमीटर किससे होता है? एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर. एनीमोमीटर. एनीमो मतलब विंड स्पीड. एनीमोमीटर विंड स्पीड. बेयोफोर्ट स्केल विंड फोर्स इन द सी. बेयोफोर्ट स्केल का विंड फोर्स इन द सी. व्हाट इज क्रिस्कोग्राफ? ग्रोथ ऑफ ए प्लांट. क्रिस्कोग्राफ क्या है? 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 ग्रोथ ऑफ ए प्लांट. व्हाट इज डायनोमीटर? कन्वर्ट मैकेनिकल एनर्जी इनटू इलेक्ट्रिकल. व्हाट इज डायनोमीटर? कन्वर्ट मैकेनिकल एनर्जी टू 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 इलेक्ट्रिकल. What is Campbell Stokes? Duration of a sunshine. What is Campbell Stokes? Duration of the sunshine. What is Campbell Stokes? Duration of the sunshine. What is Campbell Stokes? Duration of the sunshine. ECG. Moment of the heart. Moment of the heart. Wind vane क्या है? Wind direction. Wind vane क्या है? Wind direction. What is tensiometer? Soil moisture tension. Tension जो है tensiometer मतलब tension. Tension कौन देगा? Soil ना देगा जब ऊर्जा नहीं होगा. Tensiometer soil moisture tension. What is galvanometer? Electric current. Galvanometer electric current. What is porometer? Stomatal behavior. पोरोमीटर क्या है? स्टोमल बिहेवियर को कहना. पोरोमीटर क्या है? स्टोमल बिहेवियर. पोरोमीटर क्या है? स्टोमल बिहेवियर. हाइड्रोमीटर क्या है? मेजर द रिलेटिव डेंसिटी ऑफ लिक्विड. पोरोमीटर क्या है? स्टोमल बिहेवियर. हाइड्रोमीटर क्या है? मेजर्स द रिलेटिव डेंसिटी ऑफ ए लिक्विड. हाइग्रोमीटर एंड द साइक्रोमीटर क्या है? रिलेटिव ह्यूमिडिटी. हाइग्रोमीटर एंड द साइक्रोमीटर क्या है? रिलेटिव ह्यूमिडिटी. लैक्टोमीटर डेंसिटी ऑफ ए मिल्क एंड द मिल्क प्योरिटी. लैक्टोमीटर से डेंसिटी ऑफ ए मिल्क एंड द मिल्क प्योरिटी. व्हाट इज लाइसीमीटर? इवोट्रांसपिरेशन लीचिंग. व्हाट इज लाइसीमीटर? इवोट्रांसपिरेशन एंड द लीचिंग. व्हाट इज मैनोमीटर? व्हाट इज मनोमीटर? रूट प्रेशर. मनोमीटर से रूट प्रेशर. मनोमीटर रूट प्रेशर. व्हाट इज पेलिनोमीटर? एरिया ऑफ इरेगुलर फिगर. व्हाट इज planimeter? Area of irregular figure. What is pyrohelometer? Measures amount of direct solar radiation. What is pyrohelometer? Measures amount of direct solar radiation. What is pyrometer? Measures the total incoming global and the solar radiation. What is psychometer? Specific gravity of the soil. What is piezometer? Depth of the soil, depth of the water table. What is photometer? Transpiration. USWB. Pan evaporation is evaporation. Monsoon. The word monsoon has originated from the Arabic word mausim, which means season. The word monsoon has originated from the Arabic word mausim, which means the season. The word monsoon has originated from Arabic word mausim, which means season. Monsoon is often referred to the seasonal reversal of wind over the Indian Ocean, especially in the Arabian Sea. Monsoon is often referred to the season reversal of the winds over the Indian Ocean, especially in the Arabian Sea. India is situated in the northeast trade and the wind zone, and these trade winds continue throughout this year. Total amount of annual precipitation in the country is 1194 meter. Total amount of annual precipitation in country is 1194 mm. Total amount of precipitation in the world is 1000 mm. और total rainfall generated volume in India is 400 million hectare m. The average rainy days in the country is 130 days per year. The average rainy days in the country 130 days per year. Rainy day 2.5 less than 2.5 mm rain during the 24-hour call is called rainy day. क्या होगा? Less than 2.5 mm rains during the 24-hour called the rainy day. The southwest monsoon period June September. The southwest monsoon reaches South India in Kerala around 1st June. The southwest monsoon first reach in Kerala in the 1st June of every year. In the middle of July, it covers the whole India under the great rainfall. Their withdrawal start from the western Rajasthan around 1st September and the 15th September, and complete withdrawal from the whole country by the 15th October. It is also called as a grand period of rainfall in India. It contributes among the 75% and 80% of the total rainfall in India. The whole part of the country received the rainfall during the southwest monsoon except the Tamil Nadu and the some parts of Andhra Pradesh. Jammu and Kashmir gets the rainfall about the 35 to 50% of this monsoon, remaining received of the western distribution. Whole part of the country received rainfall during the southwest monsoon except the Tamil Nadu and the some parts of Andhra Pradesh. Jammu and Kashmir gets the rainfall about 35 to 50% from this monsoon, and remaining received from the western disturbance. Southwest monsoon has the two branches. Arabian Sea branch contributes the 770 mm to 80% of southwest monsoon. The moves northward in Delhi. Northward in Delhi, Bay of Bengal contribute to 340 mm, about 20% of the southwest monsoon. This moves up to Assam. Bay of Bengal का क्या होता है? Contribute 340 mm, about 20% of southwest monsoon. This moves up to Assam. The northeast monsoon period October December. The rainfall mostly southern state Andhra Pradesh and the Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu gets the highest annual rainfall about 600 to 800 mm in the northeast monsoon, followed by the Andhra Pradesh 400 mm and the some part of the Karnataka 200 to 300 mm. This monsoon also known as the retreating monsoon. It contributes about the 15% of the total rainfall in India. Northeast monsoon 15% of the total rainfall in India. It also called the cyclonic rainfall. Western disturbance December to the March is the main period when the western disturbance of the carry rainfall in the north and the central India, which is very useful for the rabi crops. It is also called the Mavat. Western disturbance December to March is the main period when the western disturbances carry rainfall in the north and the central India, which are the very useful for the rabi crops. It is also called the Mavat. It is defined as the low pressure of the cyclonic circulation in the world above the surface, which moves from the western country to Himalayas and the mountains, Jammu and Kashmir. Artificial rain making the cloud seeding. Application of the foreign materials to the clouds to induce the precipitation is called as the cloud seeding. The cloud, which are feathery like fibrous structure, and the rainless is called the cirrus. Application foreign material is to the cloud to induce the precipitation is called the cloud seeding. Cloud which are the feathery like fibrous structure and the rainless called cirrus. Cloud which are associated with the continuous rain is called as the nimbostratus. Cloud which feathery like fibrous structure is called cirrus. Cloud which are associated with the continuous rain is called the nimbostratus. Cloud which are associated with the heavy rainfall, thunderstorm and the hailstorm, lightning is called the Cumulonimbus. Cumulonimbus. Rainy clouds are very clouds below the 3 km height from the Earth's surface. Rainy clouds are low clouds below the 3 km of the height from the Earth's surface. Clouds seeding silver iodide or the dry as CO2 frozen at the 80 degrees Celsius applied at the once nuclei for the liter of the cloud. Warm clouds generally using the sodium chloride NaCl. Now casting few hours to 1 day, especially for the 2 hours. Short range 1 to 2 days, especially 36 hours. Medium range 3 to 10 days. Long range is less than 10 days. The short range forecasting is issued twice a day and valid for 36 hours. The short range forecasting is issued twice a day and valid for 36 hours. The long range forecasts are issued thrice in a year and are useful for the choosing cropping patterns. Synoptic method of the forecasting is used to short range forecast. Statistical measures are mainly used for the long range forecast. MCMRW, National Center for the Medium Range and the Weather Forecast in New Delhi. What is cyclone? El Nino is a phenomenon that leads to the rise in the ocean temperature start from the coast of Peru and the effect of Indian monsoon and the consequent dry weather and the drought in India. El Nino is a phenomenon that leads to the rise in the ocean temperature start from the coast of Peru and the effect the Indian monsoon consequent dry weather and the drought in India. What is La Nino? Opposite phenomenon El Nino and the good indication of the good monsoon in India. Atmospheric pressure is also lowest in the center of this region and increases the rapidly outward. Example, tornadoes and the typhoons and hurricanes. It is an example of cyclone. What is acid? Rainwater contains the HNO3 and H2SO4 due to the NO2 and SO2 gas and the pH is greater than 4.5. What is agroclimatic zone? Agroclimatic zones are classified on the basis of the certain homogeneity in agro characteristics such as rainfall, temperature, soil, topography, water resources and the cropping system. According to the Planning Commission, India has been divided into 15 agroclimatic zones. According to the NARP, ICR, India has divided into 127 agroclimatic zones. According to Planning Commission, India has been divided into the 15 agroclimatic zones. According to the NRP, ICR, India has divided into the 127 agroclimatic zones. Agroclimatic zone of India, the Western Himalaya zones. It includes the Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, hills of Uttarakhand and the Uttar Pradesh. It consists of the skeletal soils of the cold region. The Eastern Himalaya zone. It consists of the northeast states, Sikkim and the Darjeeling Hills, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, Mizoram, Assam, Jalpaiguri, Kochi, Bihar, district of West Bengal, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, Mizoram, Assam, Jalpaiguri, Kochi, Bihar, district of West Bengal. High rainfall, shifting cultivation, heavy runoff, massive soil erosion and the flood. The lower Gangetic Plain zone. The lower Gangetic Plain zone कौन होगा? West Bengal alluvial soil and the flood prone area. West Bengal alluvial soil and the flood prone area. The middle Gangetic plains कौन होगा? Eastern UP and Bihar. The middle Gangetic plain क्या होगा? Eastern UP and the Bihar. It has the highest gross cropped area and the crop intensity. The upper Gangetic plain zone क्या है? Western Uttar Pradesh. The term Gangetic plain zone is it consists of Punjab. Transgenic Gangetic plain कौन है? It consists of Punjab, Haryana, Union Territories of Delhi, Chandigarh and the Ganganagar district of Rajasthan. It has the highest irrigated area, highest nation area, high cropping intensity and the high groundwater utilization and the highest canal irrigation area. The eastern plateau and the hill zone. The eastern part of the Madhya Pradesh, southern part West Bengal and the island of Orissa. The western plateau and the hills, major parts of the MP and one district of Rajasthan. The southern plateau and the hills, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and the Tamil Nadu, which typically semi-arid zones. Most of the area under the dry land farming. The east coast plain and the hills. It consists of the east coast of the Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and the Orissa, the west coast plains and the Ghat zone. The west coast of the Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra, and the Goa. The Gujarat plains and the hills. The Gujarat, the highest area of the land and the soils are found. The western dry zone. It consists of the 9 districts of Rajasthan. It having hot sand, desert, and the erratic rainfall, high evaporation, and the scanty vegetation. The island zone. It consists of Andaman and the Nicobar and the Lakshadweep. It is a largely and the forest zone with undulated lands. What is agroecological region? Agroecological region is the land unit cut out the agroclimatic region when the superimposed on the land form and the kind of soil and the soil condition that act as modifiers to the climate and the length of growing period. According to NBSS and LUP, India has been divided into 21 agroecological zones, now 20. According to ICAR, agroecological zones are divided into the 8 zones. Global warming and the greenhouse effect. A gradient increase in the overall temperature of the Earth atmosphere due to the greenhouse effect caused by the greenhouse gases. Earth absorbs the most of the sun energy but reflects back some energy in the form of infrared radiation, warming the atmosphere near the Earth's surface caused by the absorption and the tapping of radiations of the Earth from the Earth's surface is called the greenhouse effect. The major non-gas contributor to the Earth's greenhouse effect and the clouds also absorb and emit the infrared radiation and thus have an effect of radioactive property of the greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases are those that absorb the emit infrared radiation in the wavelength range emitted by the Earth. In other, the most abundant greenhouse gases in the Earth's atmosphere are water vapor (H2O), carbon dioxide (CO2), methane (CH4), nitrous oxide (N2O), ozone (O3), and chlorofluorocarbon (CFCs), hydrofluorocarbon (HFCs), SCFCs, HFCs भी कहते हैं. Non-greenhouse gases. The major atmospheric constituents nitrogen N2, oxygen O2, and the argon are not the greenhouse gases because the molecules containing the two atoms of the same elements such as N2O and O2 monoatomic molecules such as argon have the net change in the distribution of their electrical charges when they vibrate. Hence, they are almost totally unaffected by the infrared radiation, although the molecules containing the two atoms of the different elements such as carbon dioxide or the hydrogen chloride HCl absorb the infrared radiation. The molecules are the short-lived in the atmosphere owing to their reactive and the solubility. Therefore, they do not contribute significantly to the greenhouse effect and often are omitted when discussing the greenhouse gases. CO2 76%, GWP 1%. Deforestation, land use chemical change, the burning of the fossils. CH4 solar athides generated from the paddy and the biogas plant. N2O 206 the emission of the automobiles and the fractions nitrogen fertilizer and the denitrification in the rice field. SF6 and HFC5 and the PFCS 2 11,100 से 23,500 10,002 रेफ्रिजरेशन एंड द एयर कंडीशन फॉर्म एंड एयर एरोसोल कैंस. CFC क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन 11 ग्रीन हाउस है जो 10,200 है रेफ्रिजरेटर ETC. ग्लोबल वार्मिंग पोटेंशियल for the 100 years. Carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide. Therefore, the group of the fluorinated gases sulfur, hexafluoride HFCs and the hydrofluorocarbon HFCs and the ferrofluorocarbons are the major anthropogenic greenhouse gases and are regulated under the Kyoto Protocol and the International Treaty which came into the force in 2005. Emissions limitation specified in the Kyoto Protocol expired in 2002. CFC are the greenhouse gases. They are regulated by the Montreal and the Protocol, which was motivated by the CFCs and contribution to the ozone depletion rather than by the contribution to the global warming. Water vapor H2O 50%, cloud H2O 25%, carbon dioxide CO2 There's a methane, CH4, 4 to 9, ozone, O3 is 3 to 7%. Compound formula and the contribution. Water vapor H2O है जो 50%, cloud H2O 25%, carbon dioxide CO2 9 to 27, methane CH4 4 to 9, ozone O3 3 to 7%. Effect of global warming on the world and agriculture. Increase the overall temperature on the earth. Example, earth surface temperature has increased 1 degree to 4 degree Fahrenheit. The first of the century, it has been forecast that 5 degree Fahrenheit will rise in the next century. Cause changes in the climate turbulences result in the melting of the ice in the polar region. Increases the sea level resulting in the submerging of the coastal area. Drought in the warmer regions. IPCC, Intergovernmental Panel of the Climatic Change. It is the organization which is associated with the climate change on the earth and receives the Nobel Cardiac Temperature. For the optimum plant growth, therefore, they require the minimum, optimum, and the maximum temperature, and these temperatures are the collective called for cardinal temperature. Wheat minimum temperature 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस, विथ शुगर के 18 से 19 डिग्री सेल्सियस, राइस 10 से 12 डिग्री सेल्सियस, मेज 8 से 10, ऑप्टिमम टेम्परेचर 24 से 35 डिग्री चाहिए वीट के लिए, और मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर 30 से 45 डिग्री सेल्सियस। शुगर के लिए 18 से मिनिमम, ऑप्टिमम 25 से 26 और मैक्सिमम 41 से 42। राइस 10 से 12, 30 से 32, 36 से मेज का 8 से 10, 32 35 और 40 से 44 चाहिए। Growing degree days and the heat uniqueness. The growing degree days and GDP is a heat index that can be used and predict when a crop will reach maturity. It is the linear relationship between the temperature and the growth and the development. The mean temperature above the base temperature, the lowest temperature below which no growth known as the base temperature. Enable forecast appears the different phases of the crop for the planting effectiveness management and the practices. It enables the forecast of the phase DJ and incidence of the crop. The efficient crop selection to the particular environment is also known as the thermal unit. Wheat, barley, oats 40 से 4.5 डिग्री सेल्सियस, राइस 50 डिग्री सेल्सियस। Okay guys, thank you.